Lesson 105, number 30. It wants the distance between this point and this line. So I need the distance formula, but the problem is I need two ordered pairs to put in my distance formula, and I only have one. So again, I can't help myself. I like to, I'll draw it right here. I feel like I have to draw a picture of this. 1 and 2. And then I just took the line and put it in y equals mx plus b. So 5/3, that's somewhere, I don't know, 3/3. It's 1 2/3 or something like that. And I go up 1/3. Up 1. Over 3. And I shouldn't, oh, it's one of those ones where it's going to look totally like they're super close to each other, aren't they? Okay, so I don't know if you can see colors in this, but the red line. And then, so I need a perpendicular distance between this point, 1, 2. I shouldn't have graphed it. I always have to graph it though. So it's this, I just need the equation of, or I need this point right here. And so interesting. Sure does look close. Okay, so what's the, I need the perpendicular line. I'm trying to find the equation of a perpendicular line, and I'm going to find out where the two lines intersect, and that's going to give me my ordered pair that I can stick in my distance formula. So what line would be perpendicular to this? It'd be one with the opposite reciprocal slope, so it'll be m's going to be -3. I can solve for b like doing y equals mx plus b. Y is going to be, see this, the blue dot's going to be on my perpendicular line, so I can use this x and y. So use that 2, and that'll be 1 plus b. And so negative, oh, I meant to put a 1 in there. So b is, no, okay, it is though. B is 5. I keep looking in the answer book, and I shouldn't because I'm doing it right. B is 5. Okay, so the and it looks like it could be 5, right? So that's good. So what's my new equation? It's y equals -3x plus 5. So I have, if you could see the colors I have the blue line and the red line. I have two equations. I'm going to do a system of equations, find out where the lines intersect. Okay, so since they're both solved for y, I can just set them equal to each other. So I'll just go 1/3 x plus 5/3 equals -3x plus 5. I don't want those fractions, so I'm going to multiply everything by 3. The first thing, if I multiply it by 3, I'll get x. Then I'll get, that times 3 would be 5. That times 3 would be -9. That times 3 would be 15. I'm going to find out what x is by adding 9x. And I want to, hey, something's fishy about that. I just know something's very fishy about this. They might be playing a little game with us. Let's see. That's so funny. So remember when I was drawing it and I was like, well, that sure looks like a small space in between them, doesn't it? Well, guess what? X is 1. That means when I plug it in, y is going to probably end up being 2, isn't it? I don't know. Let's check it. If x is 1 right here, y equals -3 times 1 plus 5. What's y? It's 2. So that means the other point that I want from this perpendicular line is also 1, 2. What's the distance between 1, 2 and 1, 2? I don't have to put that in my distance formula to know that the distance between 1, 2 and 1, 2 is 0. So we're going to say the distance equals 0. Wasn't that cute? Love it.